My biggest client fears that they express are, I typically want to do bank to bank. I want to send it from Chase to Bank of Poland. Why can't I just do that? Why do I need to go to a transfer company? And I try to tell them that there's a lot of potential problems along the way. And been there, done that is a great, you must have experienced a lot of issues with the clients, and I've seen you in action. And the reality is that it's hugely important to save time and effort and efficiency when you run into these problems. Because if people are delayed, it's not just, okay, we'll wait till Dan or another company fixes it. Sometimes you'll lose your deal. And in some cases, if it's a very competitive environment, they'll say, you had until this date to send the money over, you didn't, and therefore the deal is negated. So been there, done that is a excellent advantage for
Right. And when I'm doing my job well, and I'm gonna assume the same is with you, the clients don't even know what we go through. Because when we have clients that are in the States, they're sleeping while we're working. So they get it. We deal with all the craziness of real estate in Israel. And then they get an email in the morning saying, we took care of everything for you. People are paying us for a service we're professionals, and they're paying us so that they don't have to have these headaches. The headache should be on us. So that's something that I take very seriously. And as you mentioned, potential breach is something that we never want to go for. Never want to have a situation where a person can have material loss, or they can lose out on a deal. So I do everything possible to prevent this. So, and I'll go into some of the details
great.
a little bit, but just as a primer, so people can understand exchange rates, they are dynamic.